Sword flowers are very popular in many films and TVs and video games. Demo time. From profile, inside flower, outside flower, straight. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Our last video is all about flowers, how to do the flower. And then I said this time we're going to do our back flower has a transition. And now I can demonstrate to you. Flower, flower, back. Boom. Inside, outside flower. Based on that, we're going to go back, transition, and then transfer to the front. This is adding much more difficulty because you're moving. And how to make the back flower follow the body. That's a skill. So if you have a straight line, take a look. We have a straight line. You see the line in front of me. I can step in front of a line. And when you do flower, you gotta be super close to your body. See, inside, outside, right? Now, when you do back flower, same as the inside flower, it has to be super tight on the body. A, up, back. So everything follow the straight line. And how to do the back flower and not sticking out is to using 2 finger and supporting finger and practice in, out, watch. Elbow have to go out. This way you have more room. And then step back. Same time, see the top of the sword going down. And uppercut again. Use your body, carry the sword over from the front. So the entire motion is all follow the straight line. Straight sword is all about gracefulness. It's different than the broadsword, cutting. Straight sword is gracefully using the line to judging how close your sword from your body. So the elbow at this point play a big role. You have to know how to use your elbow to lead the sword. Watch me, inside, outside, elbow lead. Back. Of course, if you are learning for complete the move and the form, you want to matching your left hand since you have a transition move. My left hand is the most important at this point. You use the left hand's finger to lead the second arm. Go to the straight line. Follow me. Inside, outside, elbow stick out. See my left hand's back to your body. Now to going out. Stick out your left hand's finger and make a straight line and boom. Am I perfectly straight? Right? See, now you have the entire movement on the line and you're not going anywhere. You can watch me in the fast motion. Fast motion for straight sword, back flower. And when you do the back flower, people were asking me, what is the purpose for the back flower? It's for transition, period. If your body need to go to the different direction, are you going to moving out here, and parry, boom, cutting. So people do not know what the next movement is about. You hiding the sword behind, and really is for the next coming up, cut, slide, or thrust. Okay, so the back flower for the comeback purpose is all about transition, giving people illusion. Going back, maybe not. Going forward, maybe not. Okay, cutting up, cutting down. Yes, going up, going back, and thrusting forward, maybe. So you never know. The back flower is your backup, using for transition for the next motion. Now, I'm setting the camera 45 degrees. This is in my front. How to set up the elbow. Flower, flower, elbow. Watch. See? Twisting forward. The elbow line is never off the line. Always stay on the same straight line. And when you come back, see my elbow? Guiding. See my twist, my waist? Guiding. Once you feel the sword is already straight line, you can stop. It's really have to judge by you how well you control your sword. By the time sword going down, look at my elbow, guiding the sword. Now from the front, you can see I'm twisting my elbow inside, outside. Look at my elbow, right? Twisting this way. Now, how to transfer the sword is because when your elbow drops, your sword top is dropped. Make a straight line, straight up, cut. One more time. From this direction, watch my elbow. Inside, outside, elbow, feel the sword top, make a straight line and back. This way, for all the transitions, your line will be sure it's a straight line. So learn how to use your elbow to guiding the sword. You learn how to use the left hand to matching the sword hand. That way, your entire movement is complete. Especially when you are fighting, especially when you are training and cutting, the other hands are very important. And there's some like sword, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cut, slide. Inside, outside, flower, back, and thrust. You see that? Everything all come from the center, all come from the handle, all come from how well your body and your elbow control the sword. So the whole entire body is all part of your sword, and your sword is all part of your body. You and the sword is one piece. When you play sword, how to separate the sword and the broadsword and the straight sword is by looking at the fingers. When you see it doing straight sword, this is a sword finger. You put the 3 fingers together, use your thumb, pushing down the pinky and the ring finger. And then using the second finger and middle finger and put together, straight line. You see the power. It's like when you do punch, sword finger. Adding some movement, you know this is a good sword finger. And the energy goes through the fingertip, go through you, the other side of the wall, and pushing forward. You got a complete good finger sword. And sword finger, the reason why it's so important is because you only have one hand holding the sword. What does other hands do? To guide your sword. So if I'm going forward, watch me. I'm going forward. I'm going forward, right? The sword finger is to complete the entire whole body motion, to balance, right? Yin and yang, hand, left, right, balance. Your body's the center. The next one we're going to introduce you is how to do the footwork. The footwork in any form is all very important. You got to learn how to do the footwork. Only with the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, just for that few steps, there's many details. Doing with the sword. 1, 2, back. Stepping back. So how to turn over with the no stopping by yourself is toe and heel and toe rotation. Stepping in, stepping back. You see the line, right? Everything's on the line when you're stepping in, stepping down. And toe, raising up. Toe, turn, and stay. You see, everything in line. 1, 2, 3, toe, turn, boom. And whenever you turn, no matter which direction, your toe and heel have to rotate. Now, clearly you can see my toe is down, heel is up, left leg. Right leg is fully on the ground. But once I start turning, my left toe have to go down, my left heel go down, my right toe up to make a turn. You see that? The toe still up. And then turn. See my toe, take over, finish. One more time. Now, please take a look my toe. Right toe, left step down, use your right heel, make a turn. You see my heel, toe still up. Next one, right. Take a lot of dancing moves too. 1, 2, 3, 4. For transition, okay? Boom, 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 boom. One more time, fast motion. Footwork. One more time. Of course, sometimes when the line's not straight, what happens is you will cut yourself easily. So I would recommend for beginners, get the foam stick. You know, similar length, but you're going to be safe. So it doesn't matter what you do, you can always use a foam stick. For example, you can use the foam stick, lubricate your wrist. And then going back. follow. It will be much easier. Foam or any stick, available in your house. And the sword sometimes, can cut you, but for sure the stick is not going to hurt you that much or give you any cut. For safety reason, use the stick first to lubricate your body, get used to how to train. Then grab the sword, enjoy the sword motion. Thanks for watching today. And next one, we're going to teach you how to do the thrusting. From sideways, take a look. There's a whole lot of details for it. See you.